Determine whether the following relation is reflexive, symmetry and transitive. So what is that we have been given? We have been given that R is going to pick up order pair X and Y, where X and Y work at the same place. So if you have a company, say F, so in that company F, if a person is working, if another person is working, so basically they are from the same company, so they will be a part of a group. But X itself, where does it come from? Well, X itself comes from X and Y belongs to set A, right? So let me kind of write it properly actually, where X comma Y belongs to A. But what is A? A is set of human being in a town. So we have a place in that we're going to pick up people who are all working. So if they work in the same company, we'll group them. That's what the relationship is doing. We'll be relating them. Now, the very first thing that we will be working with is check on reflexive. Okay. So we have a person obviously works at the same place as themselves. So a person works at the same place as themselves. So with this, what can I infer? With this, I can tell that A comma A belongs to R. And from this, I can tell that R is reflexive, as simple as that. Okay. Next thing is we'll check on. Next is symmetric. Okay. So we'll start off with, we'll consider one pair. So in symmetric, we need to consider one pair which is true, and from that we have to derive the other one, right? So let A comma B belong to R. From this, what can I tell? A and B work at the same place. And so what can I tell? And so B comma A should also belong to R, right? We can write a reasoning in some sense key as B works in same place as, actually not required because we just wrote that. So this is a bit, well, weird question. This is how it is. So let's talk about, check on transitive. So in this, we have to assume something. That is, we have to take two set of things to be true, right? So I hope you guys know the order A, B, B, C. So B has to be common. So let's figure that out. We have let A comma B belong to R, and we'll take B comma C, that also belongs to R. So from this I can infer that A and B works in the same place. They work in the same place, and we have B and C also to work in the same place. So with all of this, what can I tell? Thus A and C are working at the same place, are working at same place. And so what can I tell from this? A comma C belong to R. Agree? So from this, finally I can tell R is transitive to. So all in all, what can I tell? R is when everything is true. It's known as equivalent relation. R is equivalent relation. Okay, it means that it satisfies all the three conditions, and so that will summarize your answer.